Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What's up, everybody? My name is Nicole, for those who don't know me, and if you don't, I know you're not subscribed, so you need to subscribe right now. Wait. Okay, you should have clicked that red button by now. Down there. Over here, but I think it's over here. But for those who are subscribed, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm in the same shirt as the last video, but y'all know the drill. For those who don't know, look back at my other videos. So today I'm going to do a unboxing video. Unboxing. Hey. But today's unboxing is from RPGShow. No, they did not. No, they did not send me anything for free. I paid my hard-earned money for this wig that I'm about to show y'all that I bought. The only thing that I did was open this to make sure it said RPGShow on it. No, I don't know what's inside, so I wanted to open it, guys, with you. It came in this DHL bag. I believe it came in like 4 days because I ordered it like on a Friday. So, you know, it has to be business days. So I think they shipped it out Saturday. No, they shipped it out Monday. And I got it, I think, that Wednesday. So if it wasn't on the weekend, then I would have got it in 3 days. So I got it from RPGShow. And this is what it looks like. I basically wanted to do this unboxing because I've seen a lot of sponsored videos of RPGShow and nobody who actually bought the wig or hair from them with their own hard-earned money. So I wanted to see, was it the same as somebody being sponsored? Would they give you the same quality, same things in the box, etc., etc.? So I bought this with my hard-earned money, and I will show you receipt right here showing that I bought it with my hard-earned money. I have no reason to lie. So I've been eyeing this certain wig since Ivy made this video on this bob wig that she got from RPGShow, and that's been a few years ago, and I just didn't want to splurge on that much money on a lace wig. But I decided to. I bought this few months ago and I wanted to wait for the perfect time because I was so busy that I wanted to wait to show you guys this before I unboxed it and did all the stuff that I'm going to do to it. But I'm also starting a series on it's called So You Want to Wear Wigs. It's basically a series as to learning tips and tricks, maintenance on wigs, and how to construct a wig if it's a lace closure, frontal, or a full lace wig or whatever. And basically how to prep it and get it ready, making sure that it looks like your scalp, and so on and so forth. So today I'm starting off the playlist. I do have, I think, 2 or 3 other videos, but that's from the past when I first started my YouTube channel back in 2016, I think. But I just wanted to make this to help you guys who are interested in wearing wigs, don't know much about wigs or how to wear wigs, or you're afraid it's gonna fall off your head, and you know, all of that. So today I'm starting off the playlist with an unboxing of RPGShow. So packaging is pretty basic. It's a matte RPGShow wig box, and when you open it, this is what comes in it. It's a deluxe wig cap. It's a 2-piece wig cap, and I think I got the color light. I believe they give you an option. I will also show you guys right here as to how you can order your wig and all that stuff. But it comes with the wig cap. It also comes with the ear tabs, which are elastic bands. Usually when I make my own wigs, I get them from Walmart in the arts and craft like little section with the fabric and stuff. But it comes with those. Comes with one long one. Usually you put this from ear. Literally you put it from ear to ear. So you don't have to really use glue and all that stuff. I've never used lace glue or nothing like that because I felt I didn't need to. And also it comes with a RPGShow magazine book, which is pretty cool. And lastly, it comes with a wig bag for storage, which I really love. And I'm gonna open it. And the wig that I got is named NB008-S. I got it in the silky texture. You can either get it in a yaki or silky. I wanted silky texture because that's what I just prefer. And I got it in the natural hair color with a cap size 1, which the circumference is 21.5 to a 22 inch. I picked that one because I measured my head from ear to ear, around my head, from forehead to nape, ear to ear, and so forth and so forth. And it basically tells you on there what size cap you are. So let's get into this wig. So basically it comes with a net on it. May I mind you, this is my very first wig that I ever bought online. So it goes with the wig. Okay. This is my very first full lace wig at that. So it already comes with a part in it, but you know I will tweak it. So this is the wig, very silky. As you can see, it's the natural texture. It's very silky, as I ordered. And you know, it comes with the cut. I might have to, you know, tweak it up a little bit, but it's like in kind of like layers. So it's an asymmetrical bob. One side is very short than the other, as you guys can probably tell, which I love. And then it has the lace, and then I will show you the inside. It comes with 2 combs on the front, 1 comb in the back, also with adjustable straps as well, which I will be using. So I like it. The knots are not bleached, and it comes with very small baby hairs as well. So I'll give you guys a close look. Very flowy too. The hair smells like every other virgin hair that I got. It's not a bad smell, just a hair smell. But overall, oh, it also has the lace in the back too, which we'll be cutting after I do everything to it. So that so far it looks it looks just like how other sponsored videos are. For the amount of money that I paid for this, it should. Regardless if I'm sponsored or not, they should treat their customers just like they treat their sponsored customers, as always. But a lot of hair companies don't do that, but RPGShow seems to. But we are going to see as well throughout this series. So, I'll put the net back on it. So let me tell you guys a little bit about the series. Basically the series that I made, So You Want to Wear Wigs, basically it's the unboxing video of this. I'm going to be showing you guys how to pluck your frontals, how to also bleach your knots like on a closure, which I think I have that in the playlist already in one of my previous videos when I first started YouTube. But I'm going to show you how to bleach your frontals, your closures. In this case, how do you bleach a full lace wig? Also, how to pluck the pluck the frontal and pluck the full lace wig as well. How to create little small baby hairs if it's not enough for you. how to make the wig the way you want it to look on your head versus how it came. So basically, like doing your little nits and nats of how you want your wig to be if it's not up to par for you. Also, I will link where I got this wig at down below. Also, I've looked on the site and I can actually get a coupon code for you guys even though I bought it. They have the option where you can have other people use a coupon code. So I will also link down the coupon code below as well for you guys, if I can find it still. If I can find it, it's gonna be down here and it's also gonna be down below as well. So if there's anything in this series that I haven't named that you want to see in this series of So You Want to Wear Wigs, please let me know down in the description box. I would love to know what you guys want to see in this series, especially if you haven't worn a wig before, you tired of sew-ins, glue-ins, all that other stuff, and I'm just basically here to help y'all. Like, I was one of those people who, like, I don't know about a wig now, won't it fly off my head or such and such, but yeah. So I've been thinking long and hard about this series, getting ideas together, but I would love to hear from my subscribers personally as to what you want to see on this series, especially if you need any questions or Q&A, like a Q&A or something. Just put it down below as to what you as a subscriber want to see from me on this series or any other videos for that matter as well. So with that being said, I will see y'all in my next series video as to So You Want to Wear Wigs. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Yeah.